Hi, my name is Pucha and I'm the leader of the group.
Hi, my name is Supanim.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Together we are RE-5.
Our world is facing a massive waste problem. Every day, tons of plastic scraps and all the materials are thrown away.
These end up in landfills and oceans, harming our planet.
That's where RE-5 steps in.
So, what is RE-5?
Well, RE-5 is a 5 key action: recycle, reuse, reduce, repair, and repurpose.
We take materials like old plastic bag, old clothes, used paper, and any other materials and transform it into new useful products.
Here are some of our creations. Plastic purse and wallets, made from recycled plastic.
Scrunchies and outfits crafted from old fabrics, giving fast fashion a second life.
Cycle paper in two versions. One is standard, and the other one can be planted after use.
We have also created a website to educate people about sustainability and the environment. We believe education is the key to build a more sustainable future.
Thank you for your time. We hope you'll join us in supporting RE-5.
Bye.